Hello, Nappy fans! Irashaimase! Welcome! Welcome back to Nappy Cat! We're so glad that you can join us today! In today's video, we're going to talk about two very cute kitties whose names were Huck and Finn. And they were two darling bookstore kitties who were very, very close to each other. And they were actually brought in as a couple, as a cute kitty pair, because of how close they are to each other. Back in February of 2014, in Wellsboro, Pennsylvania. Yes, they have been at the From My Shelf Books and Gifts bookstore. They came in right after that bookstore had lost their precious 8-year-old kitty named Hobo. Yes, and Hobo had been there as a big kitty favorite. We've done a video about him, and you can be able to see it when we link it. Yes. Well, they had a hard time at first thinking of who they could keep as bookstore kitties or a bookstore cat, because it takes a special type of personality to fit into that role. A kitty, for example, has to not be afraid of strangers usually, and they need to be friendly and calm ideally. They need to be playful and fun. Yes. Well, Finn is a black and white tuxedo kitty, and then Huck is an all-black kitty. They're both such fun-loving kitty personalities. They both play with the children when they come to visit. They greet guests, and they supervise the running of their bookstore. They're known for frequently sleeping on the books and on the bookshelves. They delight cat lovers' hearts all over. Yes, they're even known to be found snuggling together, sleeping in chairs. In October of 2017, they were both featured in the book that's called Bookstore Cats by Brandon Schultz. And since that time, they wrote their own book. Yes, and it's called Huck and Finn, Bookstore Cat. They are a wonderful little pair, and they bring joy to all the hearts who meet them, and they're a wonderful message that those of you who have seen strays, don't you give up on them. That little wink is in support of that statement. Yeah! There's always hope for kitties, just like there's always hope for you, no matter what happens in your life. And I thank you all so very much for watching this video today. If you like the content of our videos, don't you forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button, and you can paw the notification bells. Paw all when you paw the notification bell, and then you can see all of Nappy Cat's videos with these cute little wings. Such cute little wings. Well, thank you all so very much. And we look forward to seeing you